guys. As you can hear, we're set up not too far from a bird. Me and Austin were in here yesterday. We haven't been seeing very many birds on this farm. And we just walked in here yesterday morning about 9 o'clock. There's a strutter right out here in this field. Been on this farm for 3 or 4 years. Know where they roost. So me and Cole decided to slip in here this morning. He's filming for me. That wasn't the plan. Austin decided he was gonna fall asleep on us again, so he didn't wake up. We're under the turkey. Austin's in the bed. He's under the blanket. Should be a good morning. We'll see what happens here. Sleep tight, Austin. He's probably saw him all. It was pouring the rain this morning. Been on and off thunderstorms since like 1 o'clock this morning. But the weather cleared up pretty nice right here in perfect time. And he's hammering, not probably 60 yards from us, so wait till he flies down. We should be in some action. Alright guys, we've had quite the morning. Started in Indiana, and I whiffed a shot on the middle of the field behind the decoy, about 20 yards. We ran up here to Michigan. Cole's got a Michigan tag. We're gonna try to get him on these birds. They're getting ready to cross the main road up here. A couple toms, some hens. So we're gonna get down here, set off at this point, put the decoys out. With any luck, they'll come check us out. Alright guys, we just got set up. Like I was saying earlier, these birds are up here on another property we could hunt, but they're getting ready to cross the road over onto this side. So we got slid down this wood line. Hey Cole, they're right here, to our left. Way left, don't move. Birds are in the field, they cross the road. About 150 yards out right now, we'll see what happens here. Hens are coming right for us. Still 120 out, they're just slowly working in. Spread that down. He's right behind these hens. I can't see the other one now. I don't know if he's broke off or not. There we go, boy. How about it, son?
My arm, straight numb. I can't even feel it.
Golly, they wore us out.
I didn't think that. Dude, my arm.
How about it, son?
Did you see my arm starting to get...
Talk about amped up. When they gobbled right here.
They put on a show that whole time, didn't they?
Could you see them out of the corner of your eye?
Nope.
You'll see them here.
No, because...
They weren't real aggressive. They were just...
I didn't want to move because
yeah.
I thought them hens were going to be right on top of me, and then next thing I knew, there she was.
That was a good move.
I said, we're learning patience today.
Yeah, that's what that was. That's what killed them birds, with patience. What do you think, bud? Let's go check out, see what we got. Look like a good bird.
I think it's a good bird. Look like it had a big old brush on it.
2, 3.
Did they all strut there for a while?
Oh, strut all the way down the hill.
Did they really? Dude, I'm sad I missed all that. I couldn't see nothing from that tree. That's probably best setup though.
Yeah, it couldn't work out any better.
Had you right in the right spot.
Yeah. It's pretty good film through there, but I was filming through all that brush. Oh, that's a big bird, dude.
We dusted him.
I'd say he's about 30. I mean, 35 maybe at the most. See what we got. Pick him up here.
Oh yeah.
Not a bad bird.
No, that's a good bird there.
I'd say it was a bunch of 2-year-olds, maybe 3-year-olds, but
not bad spurs. No.
Yeah, pretty good spurs.
Not bad at all.
What do you think?
Heck yeah, man.
That was a good time.
First Michigan bird.
Is it really?
Yeah.
All right, guys. It didn't take long. I guess we're gonna be back in Indiana tonight, I would assume.
We're going back.
See if I can get some redemption. But all right, I'll give you a little setup here. We saw these birds, like we said earlier, trying to cross this. It's just dirt road that runs here, and there's a big curve in it. And they were in the field we have permission on the other side. It just didn't have a play on them. And drove back around the block, and the hens were trying to cross the road when we passed the second time. So we're like, we got to get down here to this little finger that runs out into the field here. And it didn't take them, we were probably sitting down 10 minutes. They crossed the road, but not where we were expecting. We were expecting to come from this way where they were at. They ended up working their way down here and kind of got behind us. Worked all the way down this hill here. And not real aggressive birds, but come close enough to get Cole a shot. And he's done in Michigan. Gonna get back to Indiana maybe and see if I can get a little redemption from the miss this morning.
Boy, that happened quick. Get it on. We're literally sitting here in our socks. Just got back here. We weren't back here 20 minutes. Haven't even done an interview yet. And did not expect that bird to come from that direction. I looked up. I mean, we were just getting the drying off for the sweat. Have our boots off. And dude, it's been a heck of a morning.
We're lounging in here.
It's been a heck of a morning.
I mean,
well, guys, a little recap while we're sitting here. We haven't even went and checked the bird out yet, but not the bird we were in here after this morning. He was a big tom. I think this is just a 2-year-old, but we had a hell of a day. Came in here the same spot this morning, and I'm sure we'll put it in the video for you guys. He was gobbling his head off in here about 60 yards over this little water hole where they always roost, and just hit the ground. He's been with a hen for 2 or 3 days and hit the ground. Ended up going out the back side of the section. We didn't have any play on him, so we decided to slip out. Original plan this morning was to take Cole to Michigan, and we slipped out of here, headed straight for Michigan, and we weren't there an hour. So had plenty of time. We stopped and got a bite to eat, got back in here, figured we had a pretty good chance at seeing this bird out in this field tonight. We just didn't think it was going to happen that quick. Trying to dry off the sweat. We got our socks on, got the boots airing out, and I look up and he's coming across the field. Not a real dominant bird, just kind of walked in, didn't even do anything cool for the camera, but this time of the season we'll take what we can get, especially after I guess before we went to Michigan, we were checking one of my other spots and saw 2 toms out there and showed him the fan. He came into 18 yards, did everything he needed to do, and I whiffed the shot. So got the 12 gauge out tonight, changing it up, and it paid off. So it's been a good day. Cole got a bird in Michigan. I got a chance at 2, only made 1 count. So
yeah,
it's been fun.
Yeah, what a day.
Been a good time. We're gonna go check them out, see what we got here. Guess I didn't need to throw the camel on, but after the hunt, but we're gonna slide out here and see what we got.
So pretty muddy.
Yeah, I wish it would have dried up a little bit for this walk back here and walk out, but wasn't near as bad as walking in here this morning.
Still unbelievable, really.
It's been a hell of a day.
I ain't gonna lack any sleep tonight.
2-year-old. Not a bad bird. Got a pretty good rope on him. God, that hammered him, didn't he?
Yeah. He instantly went to the dirt.
He didn't put on no show like we like him to into the decoys, but got about a week left here in Indiana and got a couple more tags to fill in Michigan, so we'll take what we can get. Been a good day. 2 birds down. Now we come up with a plan for tomorrow night. Yeah, that's been a good day. It still hasn't hit me how we've been on turkey since daylight this morning. I screwed up, missed the first good opportunity. That's a bigger bird for sure too, and
that storm couldn't have been any better for us.
Yeah, it worked out.
I mean, there's a lot of people laying in bed.
Yeah, I was really wanting to. I woke up, it was pouring rain like that, but I couldn't because you've been at my house for a half hour on my couch and didn't even know about it. I walk out this morning and was gonna unlock the door in case he came in. I didn't know what time he was gonna show up. Walk out of my bedroom and look in my living room. He's on the couch already. So he's been there for a half hour.
Sitting there snacking on my muffins. You think this day would ever end like that?
No. I mean, I had pretty good confidence this morning when we came in here, and I knew we were gonna get on birds in Michigan. But I didn't think I would have a chance to miss one this morning. Looked for him forever. Couldn't find him. And slid back in here tonight on a different farm. Just worked out. Not even the bird we were hunting.
No.
Heard him gobble, I think, when we got out of the truck. In this little timber over here. I'm like, there ain't no way. I've never seen a bird up in there. And I mean, we weren't calling for probably 30 minutes. We sat down, called a couple times, and here he came. We didn't even have a interview done or not much filming. We were trying to dry out from all the sweat coming back here.
Yeah, we were just trying to get dried off. We just kicked back, kind of started almost getting comfortable.
Yeah, I know. Look up. I was actually editing some pictures and stuff from Cole's bird this morning, and I just happened to look up, and he was 200 yards on a straight bead to us, so it was a good time.